But my plans seem to have worked. I know I haven't talked throughout the whole video, the whole process, but just showing you guys, cleaning up where the old studs were and cutting in, pushing these with washers on the inside, epoxy around them, pulling them out, and those washer looking clips. Let me see if I get the name real quick. So what I used was a splash shield, retainer clips, pretty much right there. That's what I used. I used those to hold the bolt in place pretty much, and popped these nuts on to pull the retainer washers down as tight as possible. Then halfway through drying, I took the nuts off. So that's what I use to repair studs falling out of my wing spoiler, if you want to call it that. There you have it. It's good to go back in the car. Appreciate you watching as always, and please share the videos. Thank you so much.